Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact calculator model and operating system, because removal steps differ by firmware. Once done, backup programs, variables, and exams onto a USB or PC. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Make sure the battery is above 50% and that you have the correct cable and any locking PIN. Begin the removal process immediately after backup. Connect the device to your computer. Open the manufacturer link software and view installed apps to select targets for removal. You now execute the removal. In the link software, locate installed apps or packages and select the specific app you want removed. Click uninstall or delete, and when prompted, review dependencies. Some apps share libraries, so remove only what's safe. Watch the progress indicators and transfer logs. Interruptions can leave the device inconsistent. If the tool asks to remove associated files or configs, accept only if you have backups. Once the software reports success, verify freed storage on the device before moving on. You finish by rebooting the calculator and checking that the app is gone and memory reflects the change. If something disappeared that you needed, restore from your backup. Otherwise, check for orphaned files and remove them. If the app still appears or the device misbehaves, reinstall firmware or use the calculator's safe mode to repair the OS. For stubborn errors, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember that erases data. Then contact official support with your logs if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.